Hello Sir Gunawan and friends, my name is Androva and I'm going to tell you my future ambitions. Setting goals can help us have ambitions in life. After I graduate, I want to live my life to the fullest. I will be learning new languages, learning music, and traveling the world with myself or my lover. I will graduate from college first, have my degree, and pursue my goals after. I personally want to learn Spanish and Greek because I love their history and culture since I was a kid. I'll be able to speak with the locals easily without using Google Translate all the time. I'm also going to learn a few instruments like the piano or violin. I like to hear classical music in my free time, and I always want to learn how to play it on the violin. Every time I listen to it, I feel like a royal living inside a fancy mansion. The world is huge. There is much to see and learn, like seeing Machu Picchu or sand surfing in the Sahara Desert. I will visit every one of them someday. These are my goals for the future, and I hope to achieve them. However, no one knows what the future will hold for us. We will have to wait and see.